Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of floor cleaning with an incredible product that's making waves in the cleaning industry. The Qimedo Electric Spin Scrubber Q3. This is not just any scrubber. It's touted as the best tile floor cleaner machine scrubber you can get your hands on. So, what sets the Qimedo Electric Spin Scrubber apart from the rest? Let's start with its powerful performance. Featuring 3 speed settings, 800 RPM, 1000 RPM, and a turbocharged 1200 RPM. The Q3 offers a cleaning experience tailored to your specific needs. This high RPM capability allows you to tackle even the toughest stains and grime effortlessly. One of the standout features of this scrubber is its smart display. It not only shows the battery percentage but also lets you know which power mode you're using. When the battery dips below 25%, a prompt alerts you to recharge, making it incredibly convenient to keep track of your cleaning sessions. But that's not all. The Qimedo comes with 8 different brush heads, including 4 soft bristle brushes and 4 cloth brushes. This versatility ensures you can meet more than 99% of your cleaning needs, whether it's in the bathroom, kitchen, or any other surface around your home. The large 5-inch flat brush head is particularly impressive, allowing you to cover more area and increase your cleaning efficiency by at least 30% compared to standard scrubbers. Another incredible aspect of the Qimedo scrubber is its design. With an adjustable handle that extends to 50 inches, you can easily clean high or low surfaces without straining your back. Plus, the brush head can be adjusted to different angles, giving you complete control and flexibility as you clean. Now, let's talk durability. This scrubber boasts an IPX7 waterproof rating, meaning you can fully submerge the brush head in water. This makes it perfect for cleaning bathtubs and other wet areas without any worries. Speaking of power, the Qimedo is equipped with a robust 6000 mAh battery. It charges fully in just 2.5 hours and can run for up to 360 minutes on a single charge in low speed mode, which is ideal for deep cleaning. This means fewer interruptions and more time enjoying your freshly cleaned spaces. As a thoughtful gift option, the Qimedo Electric Spin Scrubber is beautifully packaged, making it a perfect present for friends and family. Plus, it comes with a 2-year warranty and 24/7 customer support, so you can purchase with confidence. In summary, if you're on the hunt for a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly cleaning tool, the Qimedo Electric Spin Scrubber Q3 is definitely worth considering. It stands out in the market as the best tile floor cleaner machine scrubber, ready to tackle your toughest cleaning challenges. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more product critiques. Check the description below for links to purchase the Qimedo Electric Spin Scrubber and other amazing products. Until next time, keep your spaces clean and fresh.